Is everyone in? Does anyone need to come off because they're not up for a fucking fight or a battle? Because trust me, as these 45 minutes will be really defining. We go out and win this game, suddenly this becomes fucking huge, right? But it's going to take attitude. Really good fucking attitude.
Season defining, boys, let's go.
Basingstoke take on Frome Town in a game which will have big ramifications at the bottom end of the league. The referee blows the whistle and Frome do get us started and immediately go long from the back out towards the right flank. Teal at the back now, he's going to lose it to Gallagher, and Gallagher's off and running on the left-hand side, driving towards the box, across his man, he's brought down, and that'll be a free kick on the edge of the box. Jaden Brissett looks favourite for this, the angle favours the right-footed.
Do you think he'll score?
Yeah, I do think I'll score.
3 goals for Basingstoke since signing late on in this season, Jaden Brissett.
He's a very, very talented boy, Jaden, and I think he himself is only scratching the surface of his ability.
He's onto it now through the Frome half, inside left, with Brissett going outside him. Brissett now into the box and cuts in onto the right foot. Can he get a shot off? Back onto the left as he tries to look for the cross instead. It goes behind, that should be a corner.
We are in a relegation battle, and it's about picking up 3 points as soon as we can, as quickly as we can.
Available to you your ability to impact this game and for someone to be a real fucking hero come the end of it.
Referee, he's taking him out!
Connor Lee coming forward, looking to deliver from deep. Curls that, and that's a very dangerous ball touched into the roof of the net. It's a huge defeat for Basingstoke. Players in blue and yellow down on their haunches, crouching on the ground. They know what it means.
We have a simple swim. We've got to put points on the board quickly, or we're going to be in the bottom 4.